Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create realistic footstep sounds for your player character in Unity using Playmaker. We'll be using the Raycast2 action from the ecosystem to detect when the player's feet hit the ground and trigger footstep sounds. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have your scene set up with a player character and a plane or ground object. In my scene, I've already added the player character and the ground. Now I'll show you where the left foot and right foot game objects are located. Next, go to the player game object and add a new FSM. We'll name this FSM Footstep Sound Left Foot. In this FSM, we'll create two states, left foot up and left foot down. These states will help us detect when the left foot is in the air and when it hits the ground. Before we proceed, we need the Raycast2 action. To get it, open the Playmaker ecosystem. If you don't have the ecosystem, you can download it from the official Playmaker forums. Once inside, search for Raycast2 and download it. Make sure it's properly imported into your project. Now, in the left foot up state, we'll add the Raycast2 action. In the Specify Game Object field, choose the left foot game object. Set the direction to x1 and the distance to 0.1. For the hit event, create a new event called down and send it to the left foot down state. In the left foot down state, we'll add the play sound action, choose a footstep sound from your project assets, add another Raycast2 action here with the same settings as before. This time, in the no hit event, create an event called up and send it back to the left foot up state. Now that we've set up the left foot, we can duplicate the FSM for the right foot, add a new FSM to the player game object, and name it Footstep Sound Right Foot. Copy the FSM from the left foot and paste it here. The only change we need to make is in the Raycast2 action. Set the Specify Game Object field to right foot for both states. That's all for the setup. Now let's run the game and test it out. When the player's feet hit the ground, you should hear the footstep sounds. Let's see how it works. And there you have it. We've successfully added footstep sounds to our player character using Playmaker and the Raycast2 action. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Unity tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.